Hello everybody. Good morning from Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation. Who are we? We are Igbo women all over the world trying to unite ourselves and form a stronger force to help our people and our land. So we want to use this opportunity to tell you about our August meeting and what we intend to do during this August meeting. And by the way, this is the week of the August meeting. It's coming up on August 24th, 2024. I want to share the little video with you. Okay?
Where will you be as an Igbo woman when prominent Igbo women shall gather for the 2024 August meeting under the aegis of Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo? This year's edition of the annual event promises to be explosive, incisive, and engaging as the embassies gather to discuss and brainstorm all the general affairs of AlaIgbo under the chairmanship of His Excellency Chief Valentine Musical, former PDP governorship candidate Anambra State. This great event shall take place on the 24th of August 2024. Venue Anedo Hall, Inewi, Anambra State. Time 10 a.m. Feminine sons and daughters of AlaIgbo shall grace the occasion such as the Chief Host, His Excellency Professor Charles Chukwuma Soludo, the Governor of Anambra State. Mother of the day, Her Excellency Dr. Node Soludo, the First Lady and the wife of the Governor of Anambra State. The Royal Father of the day, His Majesty Igwe Alfred Achode Agogidi, Odio Foundation. Special guest of honor, Labour Party presidential candidate, His Excellency Mr. Pedobi, and Chief Architect Ndewa Oba, former governor of Imo State, who is also the Grand Patron. The high point of the event will be the conferment of the Victorious Awards on prominent sons and daughters of AlaIgbo who have contributed in one way or the other to the development of AlaIgbo, among whom is Chief Chapas Okoro, Ojo Findi, founder and pioneer national chairman, all progressive Grand Alliance, Chief Valentine Musical, Venerable Dr. Emeka Nwigwe, and many more. On one through all, signed, Esiada Informal founder and global president, Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide.
So thank you for viewing our promo. So this August meeting is centered on building community integration. And the major projects we have for this August meeting is building a motherless babies home for vulnerable children and motherless babies. So if you see in our society, children are being dumped here and there by their birth mothers who couldn't care for them. So how can we watch children being littered on the streets by birth mothers, vulnerable birth mothers who couldn't care for them? So that's partly why we're doing this. And also, when you look around, you see women selling their children. Read up the news stories, listen to radios, go to your social media, you see what is trending. Women selling their children, vulnerable families selling their children, vulnerable women selling their children because they couldn't care for those children. So it has become so uncomfortable to sit down and watch why women sell their children like commodities because they couldn't care for these children. So in the time of our forefathers, our ancestors, they did their own humanitarian services to each other. In the primary school, during my primary school days, I read Eze Goes to School. Eze Goes to School represent the sacrifices of our ancestors. They didn't sit tight and watch their children perish or the vulnerable perish. They laid a path for us, the path of helping. They called it Onorobe Wanne Abanoso. Onorobe Wanne Abanoso. It's the path those are the paths of our forefathers. And they showed by example when they built houses for each other, married wives to young men that were old enough to be married. built houses and established families just to ensure that everyone gets something and everyone is taken care of. So in our own time as Igbo women, are we going to sit down and watch our fellow women suffer to the point of selling their own children because they couldn't care for them? Are we going to watch birth mothers throw away their babies because they couldn't care for those babies? So now as Igbo women, what are we going to do? That is why Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation has taken it upon ourselves to raise funds to build motherless babies' home and accommodate these vulnerable children. So we are not going to be long on this broadcast. It's just calling attention that all roads should lead to AlaIgbo Hall, Nnewi in Anambra State on the 24th of August. That is this coming Saturday for that fundraising event and celebration of our cultural heritage. Our women, they will dance and showcase our cultural heritage and our cultural values. There will be cultural dance competitions and awards, prizes will be given to best dancers, both individual best dancers and group best dancers. And also we are expecting to house and host that day the vulnerable individuals in our midst, the special individuals, physically challenged individuals. They are our special guests that day. So we'll be having a time with them. We have medical outreach. If you want to know your blood pressure, you want to check for malaria, and some other vital checks we're going to be doing that day. It's going to be a big hive of activities. And guess what? Who is who in Anambra? Imo, Abia, and all our southeastern environs will be coming there to be with us. So come and support women trying to help in community building and community development. Some people will say, oh, when you give them money, they will eat it, they are not going to use it. No. We in Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation and also Chiagozim Children's Care Support Foundation, what we do is support for vulnerable people. Not a time we ever get missing. So put us to test, challenge our integrity, challenge our commitment in this process. This is a call to humanity to come and become one of the angels of kindness. So that on the last day, God will say to you, when I was homeless, you gave me a roof over my head. So this project we tagged it, they need a home. They need a home. Will you be that home provider for the vulnerable children? Will you be that home provider for those vulnerable motherless babies? God is calling you today. Nature is calling you and I to stand in the gap and make sure that these vulnerable children get a home. These vulnerable babies get a home. These motherless babies get a home. We want to do it one state at a time. Our forefathers did it. It's nothing new. In the Western world, they're doing it, giving shelter, accommodation, love and care, and showing concern to vulnerable people. You can do it too, because you are a human being. And this is human interest. So please, we call on you to support Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation, support Chiagozim Children's Care, support Incorporation. So do this project for humanity. AlaIgbo Hall is where it's going to happen this coming Saturday. It's going to start with a red carpet, picture taking by 1 p.m. And after that, the program proper is going to commence. So we are calling on you. We know Igbo people, you are great. Not just Igbo people, lovers of humanity, kind-hearted individuals. Reach out to us. Our account number is everywhere. We'll be sharing and reaching out to you. You can contact contact us using our email address, which we'll be sharing all over. Okay, to reach out to us. My own phone number you can call directly through WhatsApp is 504 505 3689. That's my direct line. And also, we want you to call us when you see people experiencing different kinds of challenges, especially vulnerable children and women, because those are the people we've been certified to help. Anybody can help. Families are under attack. Call us, reach out to us. Ogbako Umunwanyi Igbo Worldwide Foundation and Chiagozie Children's Care Support Incorporation. We are out to help humanity. And we are calling on you today. Be one of us. Be one of the angels of kindness that will make this world more beautiful. Please, we have so much to do for humanity. Please be one of us. Please be an angel of kindness. And as you do that, you will never regret it. Whatever we are giving on this planet Earth, we will leave behind when we answer the last call. Make sure that you use what you have to build humanity. So even when you leave, what you did for humanity will live even after you've gone. It will be something you will never be forgotten for. Please help. It could have been me that is vulnerable. It could have been my children that are homeless, or my children are vulnerable and have no roof over their head. So today we call on you all. Help us to help humanity. And God bless you as you answer this call for charity. Thank you very much and have a beautiful day ahead. Remember, the day again is Saturday, August 24th in Anedo Hall, Nnewi, Anambra State. Our own Governor Soludo is going to be the chief host for the day. His Excellency, the wife of the governor, is going to be the mother of the day. The royal father of the day is our own Abogede. He's a Igwe Achebe. We all know him. Will be there. His Excellency Achiku Denwa is going to be one of our special guests that day. Chief Valentine, His Excellency Chief Valentine Ozibo is going to be the chairman of the occasion. Now we have our own Dr. Venerable Mwigwe, a man that has stood strong for everything that represents Igbo. He will be there, to support us. And a lot of great sons and daughters of AlaIgbo. Chief Chekwas Okori is going to be one of those we are going to decorate that day as Okenwa AlaIgbo Buruburu. Our own Onisha North, I don't want to make mistakes about it. The chairman, Onisha North local government. I'm going to make another broadcast where I will have the names, all the names of those we are going to give awards that day. So I'm going to make announcements about them. So you will get all the information about them. All right. So it's going to be a big event. Chief Emeka Oji is one of those we are decorating that day as Okenwa AlaIgbo Buruburu. And Lolo Juliet Okoye is one of those we'll be decorating as Asia AlaIgbo Buruburu. I've talked about our old Dr. Venerable Emeka Mwigwe. All right, so we are so excited. We're going to make more of this broadcast to tell us more about what is coming on. So please endeavor to follow us as we journey this route of charity and helping our people. So God bless you. God bless you. God bless AlaIgbo. AlaIgbo got there. And no get better no get kind. These children, they are our future hope. Let's not leave them to perish. God bless you. I still remain your sister, Isiada Ifoma. You know, Wadike. God bless you all. And bye for now.